Hi there, as is customary, we are going to be taking a look at previous past questions from the SSCE and the UTMEs, and we are going to answer them, and that is what we are doing right now. Let's proceed. Take a look at this question. Which of the following bonds exist in crystalline ammonium chloride? A. Ionic covalent, B. Ionic and coordinate, C. Ionic, covalent and coordinate, D. Covalent, coordinate and metallic. Let's take a look at these questions. The first option says ionic and covalent. Yes, there is covalent bond between the molecules of ammonia in ammonium chloride, and there is ionic bond between the ammonium ion and the chloride ion. But that's not all. B. Ionic and coordinate. There is coordinate bond between the ammonium chloride, ammonium ion, and there is ionic bond between the ammonium ion and the chloride ion. But it doesn't take account into the covalent molecule that forms the ammonia backbone. C. Ionic, covalent and coordinate. You see, from our previous options, we see that there's ionic bond between in ammonium chloride, there's covalent bond in ammonium chloride, and there are coordinate bonds in ammonium chloride. So C is our answer. There's no need to look at D because there's no metallic bond in ammonium chloride. Question number 2 says, the molecular lattice of iodine is held by dash. A. Dative bond, B. Metallic bond, C. Hydrogen bond, D. Van der Waals forces. The right answer is D. Van der Waals forces, because iodine crystal lattices are held by Van der Waals forces. They are not held by dative bond because they would have formed new compound. Metallic bonds do not exist in iodine,